Say hey. Hey. Welcome to today's vlog. Last time we vlogged together, I didn't even edit or post it. But we're back again and we're going to the beach to have a bonfire. It's probably gonna be a fail, but either way it's gonna be fun.
Hey.
And we're excited. Cindy's driving, so pray for me. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, hopefully we make it there safely and hopefully we know how to make the fire because we've never started a fire. And yeah, we're gonna go pick up Gabby. Gabby. So we're at Food for Less getting supplies. Oh! Just kidding, we found the supplies.
Okay, just one?
We're making a barbecue. Oh my god, you guys. Cindy's so cute. I love her so much.
You're so dumb.
And she loves me even more.
That was the worst angle you could possibly get.
I get the worst angle of everyone, honestly. Of myself too.
What chips are we getting?
Money bag. So beautiful. Love it. And living. The lighting at the beach is to die for. Look at that glow.
Like that?
Yeah, that's enough, I think. Alright, so now we're just gonna throw a lighter in there. A lighter, a match. Yeah. Gabby, do something useful.
What?
Light a match and throw it in there.
We can throw it at the same time.
You guys could both die at the same time.
Where's the other one? They're in there.
Do you know how to light a match?
No. But I'll figure it out. Right here? Hold on. Oh shit, I saw a spark.
Don't, Gabby, do not hold it that close.
Like where, like this?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mine totally did not go.
Do another one.
I think that was yours.
I think do another one.
Yeah, we are. Both of us? Or just her?
I think.
Let's do 2 more. Oh shit, I broke it. My nails are so hard.
I think that's enough. Gabby, you threw it in the sand.
Hold on, she was scary.
That's enough.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Yay, we know how to light a fire. Look at that moon. It's a full moon tonight. So our fire is going down and we don't know how to make it go up. So we're gonna. Oh my god! I knew you would. We're gonna try to put some.
Low key, my nails.
What's it called?
Evelyn.
Lighter fluid, liquid fluid.
Lighter fluid.
Lighter fluid in there, but it said not to do that. No, like don't do like a huge squirt.
I'm not. I mean, I don't know if I can help myself, but.
Oh my god! I hate you.
I'm sorry. I'll get my mind on the gutter now.
Just jump into the fire.
Oh no, shit. Wait, no. Don't throw it in yet.
Gabby, just doing like a little. Hold on.
I'll do it from right here. Let me get up and let me get my voice.
Hold on. Wait.
No, seriously, guys.
Wait.
You think I should do this?
Just like a little squirt. There.
Y'all sure?
A little more. There. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, it went back up.
We literally went 10 miles away.
Yeah.
Cindy lost her glasses in the ocean, so
Gabby's lit.
I'm driving us home in Cindy's car. I've never driven her car, and But do you trust me?
Yeah. Well, bitch, I wouldn't be fucking letting you drive.
Yeah, she can't see.
She's driven my car too.
We'll be good. And we're gonna go get some food because we're hungry.
We're hungry. Hungry.
Oh, she's lit. Wingstop. Oh. We were so hungry after the beach, so we had to get something to eat. I got lemon pepper and mild, boneless of course, because I ain't about that bone life. And fries.
So like you eat less chicken, because the bone.
Okay.
I got Cajun and lemon pepper.
And then what did you get?
Garlic parmesan and mild.
Okay. I always say those are nasty. The garlic parmesan.
I've never tried them.
And these fries are not the best, but it is what it is. I don't want to be too loud because I don't want them to hear me, but to drink, I got Coke. I didn't get a cap because fucking weird. Okay, how am I eating now? Bye. I forgot to do an outro to the vlog, so I'm doing it today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.